painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 2, guys. Let's get down to our canvas, guy. I'm a swiping girl today. I'm an experimenting swiping girl. I've got lots going on here. Our base coat is already down. Let me grab those colors for you. We have Blick acrylics in the Mars Black at the top of this canvas for you guys, and at the bottom we have Amsterdam acrylics in the titanium white. All of our paints today are mixed with 50% gloss Liquitex pouring medium and 50% strained Floetrol. I am having a really heck of a time getting my Golden GAC 800, but you know what? Like I've said before, pouring medium is not rocket science, guys. You can use Floetrol and water, just Floetrol. A lot of people use just water. You can use Amsterdam pouring medium, Liquitex, Floetrol, a combination of all of the above. The secret is your consistency, and we are doing a swipe today, and our consistency, at least how I like my consistency to be for swipes, is relatively thin. Let's take a look at that consistency. We have in this cup, now this is a golden fluid paint. The paint is extremely high pigmented. We have about a half part of the golden fluid paint, 1 part of the Floetrol, and 1 part of the Liquitex gloss pouring medium. Very little water was needed for this paint because it's a fluid paint. It's already a little bit fluid compared to some of our tube paints. Let's talk about our paints. Right here is golden fluids in the iridescent silver. Yummy, delicious color, guys. Right here we have a fun color. We're getting our black, white, and silver on, which I'm kind of digging. This is golden fluids in the iron oxide. It has a wonderful silver hue to it. I have a couple of bottles of this, so I'm like, Kathleen, you got to use this paint. Use it up. See what it does for you. Now, all of our swipe colors are the same consistency as our base coat. It leaves a very little trace when the paint rolls off the popsicle stick into the paint below. In this cup right here is just more, and I've labeled it, of our Blick's acrylics in the Mars Black, but we have a little surprise in here. A lot of people who do the bloom pours, who don't have access to the Aussie Floetrol, use the Minwax Pre-Stain Wood Conditioner. So I just happened to have a bottle of it with me. And what I did, guys, was I used my little pipette that I have here, and I added literally 3 little tiny stinky, that stuff stinks, drops in here, and just ever so gently stirred it. So in this cup we have the Mars Black with the wood conditioner, just to see what it does. So we're fiddling, we're playing. In this cup right here, just a fiddle, is some DecoArt Satin Enamel in the pure white. We're going to swipe sections of this swipe with this to see how it does. In this cup right here, for good luck, let's take a look at that consistency, guys. Consistency is everything. That's golden fluid acrylics in the iridescent pearl. So our swiping tool of choice today is our damp paper towels, and I keep a pair of scissors next to me to cut them into different sizes. So I'm going to lay out a bunch of different colors. We're going to swipe left, we're going to swipe right. We might even swipe up and down, guys, just to see how that turns out for us. Guys, let's put some tunes on. Let's get busy.